Welcome to Renewable Academy. In today's video, you'll learn about an innovative way to heat your home using cooled solar panels. Imagine this, it's a crisp winter morning. Snow glistens on the ground, but inside your home, it's warm and inviting. And what's powering this cozy haven? Your very own solar panels, even on the coldest day. This isn't science fiction. This is the future of sustainable living, and it's closer than you think. We're talking about solar panel cooling technology. A game changer that's not only making solar energy more efficient, but also turning it into a reliable source of home heating. For years, we've harnessed the sun's energy to generate electricity through solar panels. These panels, often called photovoltaic cells, have become a beacon of clean energy, but they have a little secret. They don't love the heat as much as you might think. In fact, as they get hotter, their efficiency drops. That's where the magic of cooling comes in. By keeping solar panels at their optimal temperature, we unlock their full potential. We get more power output, and here's the exciting part. We can capture the excess heat that's generated. This captured heat isn't wasted. It's redirected to warm our homes, turning a problem, overheating panels, into a fantastic solution, free, sustainable heating. This essay will explore this incredible technology. We'll journey into the world of solar panel cooling. We'll uncover how it works, its benefits for both your wallet and our planet, and see how it's already making a difference in homes around the world. Get ready to be inspired by the future of sustainable living, powered by the sun, even in the depths of winter. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to Renewable Academy yet, hit that subscribe button and stay connected for more exciting content. Let's take a quick trip to understand the basics of solar panels, those sleek rectangles basking in the sunlight on rooftops. These panels are made up of photovoltaic cells, usually silicon-based, that act like tiny energy converters. When sunlight strikes these cells, it sets off a chain reaction. Photons knock loose electrons, creating an electrical current. And voila, we have solar power. It's clean, renewable, and increasingly affordable. But there's a catch with heat. Solar panels are most efficient at a specific temperature range. As the temperature rises, their efficiency dwindles. Scientists are developing cooling technologies to keep panels at peak performance. In the next section, we'll delve into these fascinating cooling methods. Imagine a solar panel on a scorching summer day. The sun beats down relentlessly. The panel, absorbing all that solar energy, starts to heat up. This heat buildup isn't just uncomfortable for the panel, it's bad for business. As the panel's temperature rises, its efficiency in converting sunlight to electricity takes a nosedive. This phenomenon is due to the nature of semiconductors, the materials that make up solar cells. These materials are sensitive to temperature changes. When they get too hot, their electrical properties change, and they become less effective at generating electricity. This efficiency loss might seem small, but it adds up over time, especially in large-scale solar installations. We're talking about a significant reduction in power output, impacting everything from the amount of electricity generated to the financial returns for solar panel owners. This is where solar panel cooling technologies come to the rescue. By keeping panels cool, we ensure they operate at their maximum efficiency, maximizing energy production and extending their lifespan. These technologies are not just about improving efficiency, they're about making solar energy a more reliable and cost-effective source of power. In the next section, we'll cool things down, literally, as we explore the different methods used to keep solar panels operating at their best. So how do we keep these sun-drenched panels cool and collected? There are several ingenious methods, each with its own advantages. Let's take a look at some of the most promising technologies. Passive cooling. This approach utilizes clever design and natural elements to dissipate heat. Think of solar panels with built-in fins or channels that promote air circulation, like a natural breeze cooling down a surface. Active cooling. This method takes a more hands-on approach. Water-based systems circulate cool water beneath the panels, absorbing heat and carrying it away. Others use fans to blow away hot air, keeping the panels at a comfortable operating temperature. Phase change materials, PCMs. These materials are like thermal sponges. They absorb heat as they transition from one phase to another, like from solid to liquid. This absorption of heat helps regulate the panel's temperature, preventing overheating. Nanoparticle-enhanced fluids. These cutting-edge coolants utilize tiny particles suspended in fluids to enhance heat transfer. These nanoparticles improve the fluid's thermal properties, making it more efficient at absorbing and transferring heat away from the panels. Each of these technologies offers a unique way to combat heat-related efficiency loss in solar panels. The choice of which technology to use depends on various factors, including the climate, the size of the solar installation, and the budget. Section 5. A toasty twist, redirecting heat from panels to your home. Now here's where things get really interesting. Remember all that heat we're removing from the solar panels to keep them running smoothly? It turns out that heat isn't waste. It's a valuable resource waiting to be tapped into. Instead of simply releasing it into the environment, we can capture and repurpose it to heat our homes, especially during the colder months. This is where solar panel cooling technology and home heating systems join forces. The heat absorbed by the cooling system is redirected and used to warm water or air, which is then circulated throughout a home. Think of it like a 2-for-1 deal. You're generating clean electricity and getting free heating, all from the same solar panels. This integration of solar panel cooling and home heating offers numerous benefits. First, it reduces our reliance on traditional heating systems that often rely on fossil fuels, which contribute to greenhouse gas emissions. Second, it lowers energy bills by providing a free source of heating during the winter months. The captured heat can be used to supplement or even replace conventional heating systems, making homes more energy efficient and sustainable. It's a win-win situation for both homeowners and the environment. Section 6. The Eco and Wallet. Friendly choice. Benefits beyond warmth. The benefits of using solar panel cooling for home heating extend far beyond just staying warm and cozy. This innovative approach offers a compelling combination of environmental and economic advantages that make it a game changer in the quest for sustainable living. On the environmental front, this technology helps reduce our carbon footprint. By utilizing a renewable energy source like solar power and reducing our reliance on fossil fuel-based heating, we're lowering greenhouse gas emissions that contribute to climate change. It's a step towards a cleaner, greener future for our planet. Economically, this technology is a win for homeowners. By generating electricity and providing free heating, it significantly reduces energy bills, putting more money back in people's pockets. Additionally, the initial investment in solar panel cooling systems can often be offset by government incentives and tax credits, making it a more financially viable option. Furthermore, this technology can increase the lifespan of solar panels. By preventing overheating, we're protecting the panels from thermal stress, ensuring they operate efficiently for longer periods. This longevity translates into greater return on investment and reduces the need for premature replacements. Section 7. Solar heated success, real-world examples. Inspiring change. The concept of using solar panel cooling for home heating might sound futuristic, but it's already a reality in many parts of the world. Pioneering homeowners and businesses are embracing this technology, showcasing its practicality and inspiring others to follow suit. Take, for example, the solar-powered community center in Freiburg, Germany. This building utilizes a solar thermal system that not only generates electricity, but also provides hot water and heating for the entire facility. The system captures excess heat from the solar panels and stores it in large, insulated tanks, ensuring a constant supply of hot water and space heating throughout the year. In sunny California, a residential home showcases the effectiveness of solar panel cooling combined with geothermal heat pumps. The system cools the solar panels, enhancing their efficiency, while simultaneously extracting heat from the ground. This heat is then used for domestic hot water and space heating, creating a highly efficient and sustainable home energy system. These real-world examples demonstrate that solar panel cooling for home heating is not a distant dream. It's a viable and effective solution that's already making a difference. As the technology continues to advance and become more affordable, we can expect to see even wider adoption in the coming years. Section 8. A brighter, warmer tomorrow, the future of sustainable heating. As we look toward the future of sustainable living, solar panel cooling for home heating shines brightly as a beacon of innovation and hope. This technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we power and heat our homes, paving the way for a cleaner, more energy-independent future. Imagine a world where rooftops are adorned with intelligent solar panels that not only generate electricity, but also provide comfortable warmth during the winter months. Imagine homes freed from the constraints of fossil fuel dependence, powered by the sun's abundant energy. This vision is within reach. As research and development continue to advance, we can expect even more efficient and cost-effective solar panel cooling technologies to emerge. These advancements will further enhance the performance and affordability of these systems, making them accessible to a wider range of homeowners. The future is bright, and it's powered by the sun. By embracing innovative technologies like solar panel cooling for home heating, we can create a more sustainable and equitable world for generations to come. Let's harness the power of the sun, not just for electricity, but for a warmer, brighter future. What do you think about the future of solar panel cooling for home heating? Share your thoughts in the comments below.